Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use another hook, useContext, in functional component. So we see the example here first, then we will understand the use of context. Actually in app component, I have a component useContext A. Under this useContext A component, I have a useContext B component. Under the B, I have useContext C component, and under the C, I am displaying a information welcome the name of the person to user context C component. Remember that we have output also, but username is missing here. That username I want to display. That username I want to send from the app component to the C component. Remember that app component A to C directly, this C component is not inside app component. This is inside A, then B, inside B we have a C, under the C we have this value. So that means from this app component, what I have to use, I need to call, for example, I say here app component I call, and here in A I need to provide, I say name equal to, and here I pass Dr. Vipin Classes. This name I want to pass. So first of all, from the app I will pass to A, from A I will pass to B, I say name equal to, remember that I need to use here props, then here name equal to props dot name, that I need to call here. Similar way I save this, then I go to B, under B also I need to call props, and here I said name to props dot name like this, then save this, then go to C, and we will have the name here. And you see that if I refresh it, so I need to check again. Okay, I need to save this also A, and you see that welcome Dr. Vipin class to useContext C component. So we are able to pass this property from app component to A, then A to B, then B to C, or if we have thousands of components, then we need to do like this. That is not a good way to pass these information. The another way is the context API, which you can use in class component also, but here I am going to explain you how you can use useContext. So for that I am not using any property here. Remember that I am removing this, I am removing this also. Right now I am removing this also. I save this, then I remove this property also. I don't need to use this. I don't need to pass any property to any component from here also. Remove this. Again from A to B, don't need to pass this. Remove this. No need to pass any property like this. Remove this. From app component, I don't need to pass this property like this. Remove this. What I have to do, I have to call here a method like this. I say const, and I say username equal to react dot create context, like this I need to call. Remember that username as a username I took, so I just make it capital username, then I call this username here. I say username dot provider like this, and under this provider I need to pass this A component like this, and here I need to pass value, and here I say Dr. Vipin Classes Remember that I am passing. Here I say double quote like this, remove this, and like this I pass this value. So by using context, remember, create context, username. Here I say username dot provider. I'm passing this here to the A. From the A it will go to automatically to B, it will go to C, and in C what I do, I just use here like const, I say name equal to, and here I say use context, and here I say username. Remember that this username should come from the app component, so that's why I use here to use export keyword like this, export, and for that I need to call it outside of this like this. I call it like this. I save this. So I export this username, and this username goes to A, goes to B, goes to C, and this username we need to call. I save this. So it say username is undefined, so use context is undefined. So here I call, first of all, use context like this, save this. So one thing is gone. Second, I import username from app, so I say dot slash app, so I use this from there. So it gone. We have name here, I assign the name here, welcome to, save this, done. And you see we have the same effect, Dr. Vipin Classes, welcome Dr. Vipin Classes. To use context C, this we can say welcome to use context C. Remember that if I pass some other value, I can pass here Dr. Vipin Tevatia, save this, and you will see the information value we have did, save this. You see we have the value here, automatically we have this value to the context. So like this way we can pass any value from this context provider like this, and we may receive it directly in the C by using this use context. Remember, so you see that like that we can change the name also here, Dr. Vipin Tevatia. So this is the use of use context for functional component in React. That's all in this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.